If you struggle starting conversations with strangers, these tips will help you immediately, even if you're an introvert. Everything I'm about to tell you works, even if you're quiet and nervous. If you're meeting somebody for the first time, use these tips. And stay until the third tip because that one quietly removes approach anxiety. So strap in, get your coffee, let's take your Riz to the next level. The low pressure opener. Start by talking about what you both can see. This takes the pressure off both of you. Introverts often get stuck because they feel they need some flashy, clever opening line. You don't. The easiest way to start a conversation is to make an observation about the surroundings around you. So examples are, this place is quieter than I expected, or I didn't realize how loud other places are until I came here, or this lighting actually quite relaxing. This works particularly with women because you're not asking her for anything, you're not putting her in a spot, you're just opening the door. And if she agrees to that statement, the conversation has started in a natural way. The next is the sliding statement. This is when you share a grounded thought rather than asking a question. Questions feel like interviews, it's like an interrogation, but statements just feel like a conversation. It feels like you're talking to someone. Instead of trying to be clever or funny, just make an inquisitive statement about her energy. This can be as simple as, you seem very calm and that stands out. Or you have a calm presence about you. You don't feel rushed. Or you seem pretty comfortable being here. There aren't compliments. Nowadays, compliments can come off so disingenuous and she's probably heard them 1,000 times. They're observations. You're not demanding a response, you're inviting one. And that's very disarming and relaxing for a woman to hear and to feel. Well done for staying for this one because this one's key. This is how to overcome approach anxiety. It's called the Curiosity Check. So before you approach her, ask yourself one simple question. And that is, am I curious? If the answer is yes, go talk to her. Don't give yourself a moment to think. Just start to move your feet and approach that girl. And when you're making your way over to approach a girl, you'll be asking yourself 1,000 questions. Will she like me? What am I gonna say? What if it goes left? Guys, that's too much pressure. Curiosity is light. Pressure is heavy. You should focus on how curious you are and how attracted you are to her. Focus on those things because those things are light. The pressure goes away, but your energy and excitement stays. And that's what you need. And that's what she's looking for. Next up is the body reset trick. Now, when I was single and dating, this is something I always used to use before approaching a girl. It's a way for me to anchor myself and feel more confident in my own skin. The thing is with anxiety, it shows up in the body. So you want to reset your body before you go and approach her. So first thing is slow your breathing. Drop your shoulders and plant your feet. When you spread your feet shoulder width apart, science has shown that release a dosage of testosterone, which is your dominance hormone. This lowers your cortisol and stress levels and you immediately feel more confident. The depth shift. Now, once the conversation feels easy, don't dive into deep questions straight away. You want an elegant entry so the conversation feels natural. So instead of, what do you do for work? Ask, how do you enjoy spending most of your time? Or instead of asking, where are you from? You can ask her, does where you live right now feel like home? These questions are thoughtful, but not intense. Deeper conversations is where introverts really thrive because depth comes to you guys naturally. Introverts don't struggle because they're quiet. They struggle when they try to be extroverts. And that's the problem with a lot of the advice for confidence building or dating advice out there for men, is that the tips are basically for guys who are outgoing and loud anyway. As an introvert, you want to guide a person of interest towards your area of strength. And the key is just reframing those conversation hacks that I've relayed in this video. Science tells us that 90% of communication is nonverbal. So if your nonverbal game is off the mark, already you're at a disadvantage before you even approached somebody you're interested in, whether that's in dating or whether that's a networking or business situation. But you can fix that problem by upgrading your style and learning some of the body language cues that convey and evoke confidence that we were relayed in this video. The first part of solving a problem is to accurately diagnose it, and you can do that with your first impression right now. I've devised a first impression quiz where you'll get a scorecard telling you how strong your first impression is right now and what you can do to improve it. There'll be a link in the description to this video and also in the comments. So check it out.